Hey everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to another how-to guide video for 3ds Max. I'm anticipating this one to be a fun one. We're going to try to make basically what in my mind is going to be a hologram. I'll let you judge at the end what you think it is. We're going to be using TyFlow for that. And so this is a model I downloaded. There is many websites on the internet that you can download models for free. There's CG Trader, so the letter C, the letter G, trader.com, and there is free, FREE 3D.com, free3d.com, and there is others. So you get your model that you want, preferably something that's human-like, because that's how we envision holograms to be, the holograms to be used for. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a slice. So this is a fun little, so it gives us a few options how you want to remove. So what we're going to do is we're going to say remove top. So what this does is that if I click on that, there we go. So this is what it does, right? So it slices up our model basically, and we've said remove the top, so that's what it's doing. So what we're going to start off with is so this is the frames are set to 200, and you do that from time configuration. You go length 200. So we're going to do auto key. We're going to set a key at 0, and that's what it's going to be. Actually, maybe the 0 will be a bit lower, like there. Oh. Set key, then we're going to go to, let's say, 100. Okay, so now so now that's working fine. It's going to be a bit slow, I guess, on my computer. Right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a cap modifier. So this cap hole, so this will work automatically. So you see how there's a hole here, and as we move this forward, see how there's always, it's like empty on the inside? So what that does is that it just fills that for us. So, cap holes, there we go, done. So now, when we play this, it's going to be like filled up the whole way. Right, beautiful. Alright, the next step, now I'm going to leave it at like 100. The next step is we're going to create under the splines, for shapes, we're going to create a donut. So I'm probably going to press this button, go to the top view. So this is, we're going to kind of make the border for our hologram. So I think something like that, maybe, and there. And the other thing we want to do is, it's not very like round, I guess. So we're going to increase the steps. Yep, so. So now it's pretty round, nice and round. Maybe we can go to 20. Yep, alright. So the last thing we do before we get to TyFlow is just going to do an extrude just to fill between the two lines. I'm sure there's a better way, but this is how I'm doing it at the moment. So you do an extrude, now it's filled up. Alright, beautiful. Now we can get into our TyFlow business. So first things first, we'll go to, I feel like this is going to be a two-part series. So we'll go to our TyFlow, chuck it in there, open edit, go into here. So first things first, birth. So we'll chuck our birth in there. I think we'll do, so we're going to do the birth 0 to 0, and the total number of particles maybe we'll set to 100. Then right after that, we're going to do a position object. So we know, we learned this in class. While you're here, you just press tab, like hold your mouse, press tab, then you can type and press enter on whichever one you want to put in. So position object face is correct, that's what we want to pick, and we're going to pick our donut here. So now we can see the particles. If we play, obviously nothing happens, that's all good. Alright, the next step is to do a find target. So again, press here, find target. So this is we're trying to lead the particles. So find target. Again, if we go down a bit, pick. We'll pick. It's going to load a bit. So as you can see, the particles are there. So now if we actually play, you'll see that the particles are going to go from the outside and they're going to sort of go to the actual object. Alrighty. So we're going to actually play a little bit. So instead of control by velocity, we're going to do control by time. And then we're going to go down. Whoa. It's going to be a bit slow, I do apologize. It's just loading. I might pause it between these. So we're back. We're also going to change the point from closer to from close to random. This should, oh man, okay, I'm going to pause again. Every time it loads, I'm just going to pause so you don't have to wait while watching that. And also, I'm just going to put the timer down, maybe that'll help the loading time. And also here with the less than, we're going to do, instead of 1 meter, we're going to do it 0.01. And with the distance, at the moment it's at like 10,000 or 100,000. We're going to do it at 1,000. Okay. So, hope that's all fine. Alright, so now we're back. So as you can see, it's following it up all the way, the particles. So that's good, that's kind of what we want. So now from here, we're going to go to this, we're going to start a new display. And we're going to connect that to this. And we're going to add a force. So this way we're doing this so that the particles actually go up as the slice is happening, so they go up with the slice. I think I'm going to stop the clip here and then we're going to continue in part 2. Okay, so thank you very much and I'll see you on the next one.